Hi, I'm Jen from Starshine Communications, and this is my video all about how to design eye-catching email templates. If you're an online course creator, you know that your emails need to do more than just inform, they need to impress. Today, we're talking about eye-catching email templates that grab attention, reflect your brand, and drive engagement. Whether you're sending a welcome email, a promotional email, a course update, and the design of the email is sometimes just as important as the words inside. So stick around because I'll share some top tips, some common mistakes to avoid, and some tools that make delivering email templates super easy. Let's get started. So first of all, it's useful to look at why email design matters. So let's think about it. Your email is the first impression somebody has of your course or brand. If it's cluttered, hard to read, or just plain boring, they might not even bother to read it, let alone click on your call to action. A well-designed email grabs their attention, builds trust by reflecting your brand, and makes it easy for readers to take action. How do we know that an email template will check all those boxes? Let's break it down. So step one is to keep it on brand. Your email design should feel like an extension of your website and overall branding. That means use your brand colors consistently, include your logo in the header, and stick to your brand fonts or choose similar ones that work well for your email. Remembering, of course, to keep your email fonts a legible email so that people who are using screen readers can read them out. This helps your emails feel professional and recognizable, which builds trust in your audience. It might be useful to create a style guide for your emails so every template feels cohesive. Step two is to simplify your layout. Keeping it simple is always the best way. When it comes to email design, less is more. Your readers should be able to glance at your email and immediately understand what the main point of email is. So what works best is a single column email for most emails. It's clean, it keeps it straightforward, and it's easy to use on mobiles. Keep sections clear with plenty of white space. Avoid clutter. Stick to one main idea per email. Think of it like a mini landing page. What's the one thing that you want your readers to do? Design it around that goal. So the next step is to use high quality visuals. Visuals are really powerful. They draw attention and make your emails more engaging, but not all visuals are created equal. Here's how to use them effectively. Include the relevant images or graphics that support your message. Use GIFs sparingly to add personality or highlight some key points. And make sure the images are optimized so that there's fast loading times and they're not too big to get caught in the spam filters. And don't forget to add alt text to your images. It's essential for accessibility and ensures that your message gets across even if the image doesn't load. Step four, highlight your call to action. Your call to action is the most important part of your email, so make sure it stands out. Use a button instead of a plain text link. It's more eye-catching. Choose a bold, contrasting colour for the button to make it pop. Keep the text to an action, like enroll now, watch the video, or download the guide. Place your calls to action strategically above the fold if possible, and repeat it near the end for those who scroll. So people can have a quick, this is what I want you to do, and do it now, and then keep it scattered throughout the email all the way down. Step five, don't forget to optimize for mobile. Did you know that over 50% of emails are opened on mobile devices? If your email doesn't look good on a phone, you're losing half your audience. Here's how to make it mobile friendly. We've already mentioned using a single column email layout, and make sure the fonts are legible and at least 14 point for body text and 20 for headlines. Make the buttons large enough to be tapped easily with a finger. Don't forget, before you send the email, to preview it on both desktop and the mobile settings before hitting send. Finally, before you hit send, always test it. Send it to yourself or send it to a friend or relative who can go through the email and make sure all the links work, that there are any typos in your email. Make sure you've opened it on mobile to make sure it loads. If your email platform allows, use their spam check tool to make sure your email doesn't get caught as spam. And there we go. That's how you design eye-catching email templates that convert. Remember to stay on brand, keep your layout simple, use high-quality visuals, highlight your call to action, optimize for mobile, and test before you send. If you're ready to level up your email game, don't forget to check out my free downloads in the comments below. It's all linked there. And if you've got a biggest challenge with your email design, let me know. I'd love to be able to help. If you've liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.